What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Drive Miami. Today, well, we're swapping steering wheels. Check it out. Alright, so first things first, like I said, well, like I always say, disconnect your battery over here. Obviously, I haven't shown you guys yet, but Junie went ahead and did some kick-ass wood trunk that I actually think is pretty freaking cool on an E46. I've never seen anybody do it. He went a little ham with it also and did the side things, side pieces. But like I'm saying, go ahead and reach to the battery. You're gonna get to the battery, disconnect the negative, because yeah, you definitely don't want your airbag to deploy and bad things are gonna happen. So disconnect your battery. Now let's get to steering wheel. Like I said, we're doing a steering wheel swap. This is a very simple swap, so this video is going to be extremely fast. This swap is so easy and interchangeable between sedans, coupes. All of them are just about the same thing. There's nothing different. So let's get into it. So basically, first things first, that needs to come out of your steering wheel. There's either two screws back here behind the steering wheel, or you got to stick a screwdriver depending on what steering wheel you have and pop out the pins to go ahead and pop out the steering wheel itself. Once the steering wheel, the airbag, once the airbag comes out, this plug right here is going to be attached to a top plug, which is pretty much, like I said, universal to sedans and coupes. After that, airbag is out. We're going to go ahead and pull second plug. So this is the plug for the switches. And then after that, it's as simple as just taking one bolt out. The bolt is I'll give you the exact measurement. I have here 5/8 I was using. Pops right in. Turn it. Once you break it loose, bolt comes right out. See, as you see, the bolt came right out, no problem. Once the thing's out, you have a little groove right here that aligns everything. Make sure that groove is aligned perfectly straight, because that is the center of your steering wheel. So once that's out, pop the steering wheel right out, which you're going to give it a little tug. It's not going to be so easy. And then, as simple as just grabbing your new steering wheel, aligning the little dial pin of the groove that I told you about, pops right in, bolt, screw that in, connect the two plugs, which are exactly the same, into the plugs. See, they pop right in, no problem. And then after that, well, you're almost done. I'll explain to you a little more once I get all this situated right now. Alright, so it's time to put the airbag in. We already went ahead and put our two connectors in, put our bolt in. So like I said, all that's left, airbag. So on the airbag, you have two connectors. It's a green and yellow one. Simple as just popping it in. See if I can get this on right now. Popping it in, push the connector down. Same thing goes with the other one. Pop it in, push the connector down. Align the airbag, and then you're going to push it in, which I'm going to go ahead and take care of right now. Pop it right there. And there you have it. Airbag is in. Can't get any easier. I mean, super simple swap. It's, like I said, interchangeable between sedans, coupes. They're all one and the same. Airbag's gonna work. You got your switches, which are gonna work. Of course, if you have your radio, that's interchangeable with it. And just like that, you got a badass steering wheel. I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna leave this here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. We got an airbag and a steering wheel, looking pretty dope. I like it. Pretty sure you guys like it. That's it.